The second thing we'd like to talk about is cash flow. From a cash flow standpoint, when people look to invest money, how quickly, once I put my money into an investment, am I going to get it back or start seeing a return from that money? So when we look at cash flow, two things are affecting cash flow in a solar investment. Price of product has come down tremendously over the last 10 years in our industry, and the price of power, conversely, has gone up substantially over the last 10 years. On average, between base rate increases and fees associated on your power bill, we've seen 8 to 11% annualized year over year each of the last 10 years. So when we look at this dynamic, and I can depict this better in a graph, and what I want to do is show you. So if we have a 0 to 25 year graph here on the bottom for the lifetime of the system that it's warranted for, and 0 to 20 cents per kilowatt hour on the price of power. Well, today as it sits right now, the average Idaho power consumer is roughly paying 10 cents per kilowatt hour, okay? When we buy solar, we buy it the next 25 years or the warranty period in one shot. That's why it's expensive, and we don't discount that fact. But the amortized cost per kilowatt when we do that is roughly 5 cents per kilowatt hour. And that never changes, right? For 30 to 50 years of the expected production life, it's still going to produce at that same 5 cents per kilowatt hour. Now, conversely, we all know what the utility rate's going to do, and it's going to go up, right? The quicker the utility rate goes up, once you've installed solar, the quicker you get your money back and the more cash flow that creates in that investment. So if we're conservative to our consumers at, let's say, 6% or 6.5% annual, then we feel like we're being pretty darn conservative to create really an unbeatable investment when we look at all the facets involved.